Hi, I'm Ben Wade from North Switzerland, and today we build one of the assets of this CV scene. We see this spaceship right in the corner down. Now it goes away, but it comes back then, and we rebuild that CV scene. You see that is an element in with different elements, and it came from Blender as OBJ file, and I put it I loaded in that as an OBJ to TiXL. So we switch us to TiXL for to have a control and to show how we can rebuild that element, that asset. So I left here, I quit everything here. So here the TiXL was started. Now I selected out me of the whole spouts, and here we have one of that spaceship, but it's the wrong one. I have two versions not in the form but in the displacement map and in the texture map. So yes, one looks like that and the other one looks like that. This is the difference between, and you can find every two objects here. That what we work out is this with wrapping uh, 90 degrees down, and the other one what I doesn't show you the workout. The whole process is this one, but you can see what is the difference very easy, and you can build like I have here the tools for you, and you can switch about that. So yes, you can find in the asset folder where you have, I hope so, downloaded the free assets from me. You can find in the OBJ these two elements what we need for that, and in the texture folder these two elements what we need for that. This is the main what we have here, and this is the other one what I doesn't work out for that especially. So let's go back to our assets. The first what we want to do is to load this OBJ file in TiXL, and I can show you how we do that. So we have here a load object. This is that one what I work it out with you, and how we came to that operator. I talk every time about newts, because newts is a standard terminus, and I speak about newts when I do this tutorials here. So you press the tab button, and then you toggle in OBJ, and so you find here load object. You toggle that, you you touch that by the mouse, and you got it this load object. And from this load object you go here to the pathfinding element, and then you switch through the folders to your directories and load this element, this space traveler 305 HPA wrap. Uh, if you have installed the normal Windows, you have this 3D viewer also installed, and you can also look at OBJs like that way. for testing what is what. Okay, if you have loaded that, then the next what you have to do, I delete now this one what I have opened just to show you how you get this importer, this import node. And by the import node I was showing you here, you toggle here, then the directory, you switch in the box where it comes open to that directory where you find this OBJ file here, and you select this OBJ file, what it calls SpaceTrafeler Rapid 9 OBJ. Here you can see the name of that. So the next what you have to do is to make a line out here, and then you take draw mesh. So I was do that before, and so we are here, and now you can see this form, this OBJ here, and very cool, huh? So the next what you have to do is to get him material, a texture, an image, or texturing this object. But I show you just the easiest way what we have in TiXL, what we can do. This is really an absolutely beginners and novice way. You have much more options if you learn TiXL in deep. So okay, what I have done is to go here, and I select this set material node, but you can also type in set, and then you have in the front set material. You can also type in the whole. You take that, and then when you have that, you go here in the base color map, and in this base color map you toggle, and then you take load image, and then you came to this load image here. I have done this everything here before, and I loaded that image what we need. So I will show you before which it is. This is in this free asset folder on the textures, and this is this image here. It's called SpaceTrafeler texture DC / on pH roto down 90 degrees. Okay, so back to TiXL. When you are here and you have I show you again. You set material, and by set material you toggle on the base color map, and on this base color map you take the load image node, and this load image node gives you a way open that you can select the directory where is the image where you want to put it in to this base color map. Take that image what I have shown you before. It called SpaceTrafeler texture blah 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 blah. You see the name here. Okay, take that image, found it in your directory where you have selected, where you have put it in this folder, and for normal you always put it the things in the folder of your TiXL in your resource folder by your project. You where you have your project in your directory, you have a folder with TiXL. When you have installed TiXL,